Good morning, guys. I am from Trirad Solutions. So today we are going to learn in the React series that how we can do some little experiments in this white part as well as in the React projects. So before starting, let me create a text document here. So once again, I am writing 15th July 01 dot not dot fine. So now our today's agenda is experimenting with the Vite and as well as the React. So first of all, experimenting with first of all Vite. Let's do some experiment with the Vite. That how we can deliver our own things with the React part. Okay, so before going to detail, so let me open the Visual Studio Code here. So code space dot. This was our previous work. So we created here. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, fine. So this much is fine now. So here we created so many projects right now. So let me remove this 0 to basic white and this 0 to basic React. Let me remove. This was just for an experiment purpose we did. And now how we are going to do experiment in this source file we will be seeing. So the first thing we will be seeing inside how we can create. Okay, so now first of all in this white part we are going to create here in the white inside this white inside this src folder. I'm going to create a file that is called youtube.jsx. Okay, here I'm creating a new file that is youtube.jsx. So here I'm writing the function. And always remember this thing that this is a rule or this is a syntax in React that whenever we are writing any function, the first character of the function name should be uppercase. So here I am writing YouTube. Fine, everyone. So now let me go into it here. So this is the general syntax that here we have to give the return statement. And in this return statement, we have to write this diamond brackets. And inside this diamond brackets, what we are going to pass here is I'm going to write here H1, H1 here. And here I'm giving I am. Oh, not I am. Let me write this is my YouTube. This is my YouTube. This is my YouTube. Fine, guys, everyone. Now, before moving further, remember this thing that this is a syntax of the React that whenever you are writing any function, that function at the end needs to be export. So here export default. What is the function name? YouTube. So YouTube you have to write. So export default YouTube. So before going into depth, let's run this project and see how my output is at present coming before YouTube. Okay, before this YouTube thing, how my output is coming. Let's see. So to run this project, white 01 basic white project, first of all we have to go inside it. So 01 basic white and we are now inside our project. So if you remember my previous video that how we can run the basic white plus react project. So how we can write npm run dev is the command to run the react plus white project. So let it complete once. So now you will be seeing that right now my output is coming something like this. Fine. a React plus Vite thing is coming. Vite plus React thing is coming. Fine. What I want to do is whatever I have written inside my this is my YouTube. I want that should become on my web page. Fine. My agenda is whatever I have given inside my function YouTube. There we have defined that this is my YouTube channel that should come here. Fine. So now how I can do this one? How I can place my this thing there. So inside that app.jsx, if in the previous class we have studied that whatever we are seeing right now on the screen, that is just because of these codes. These codes are the things which is getting displayed on this web page. So if I remove this thing, if I remove suppose this thing, so you will be seeing that my web page is blank now. Nothing is coming on my web page. It is blank right now because whatever the codes we have written, we have removed this. So right now I am putting a general h1 here to check that whether uh, the things are flowing correctly or not. So here I am writing hello friends. I am writing here hello friends. Now let's see whether this hello friends is reflecting on my web page or not. So if I run this code, yeah, you can see here that hello friends is now reflecting on my web page. So right now my server is working fine. So now the next agenda for me is I want to display this function youtube.jsx. This is my YouTube. I want to display here. I want to display here. Hello friends. And here this is my YouTube. I want to display. So for that purpose, what we have to do is first of all go to the app.jsx. Inside app.jsx, first of all we have to import our function. So we have to write from YouTube from YouTube import YouTube from YouTube. So now my this you import YouTube. This YouTube is nothing but my function YouTube, and after that here I have written from dot slash YouTube is my folder name, this file name. Fine. So after that here what we have to do is here inside the diamond bracket I have to call my function YouTube, and I have to give a slash and close that. Fine everyone. So now if I run this code, you will be seeing that this is my YouTube coming on the screen. So this is my YouTube is coming on the screen. Fine. So this is the little experiment we did with this Vite plus React. So now we are going to perform the same means experiment in this React part also. So before going to the React part, let me come out of this. So to stop a server, we have to press Control and C. So it will stop my server. And to come back, cd dot dot, it is right now not accepting that command. Okay, no problem. I will open a new terminal here, and inside this basic React part, inside this src, just let the terminal load fast. Yeah, so right now first of all we have to go inside the project. So cd 01 basic react basic react. So right now we are inside my 01 basic react project. So here to run a react project, the command is npm run dev, npm run dev. So now if I run this command here, you will be seeing that it is not, sorry, it's not dev npm run start, because it's a npm run start we have to do. Why npm run start? Because it's a react project, not a Vite project. So npm run start we have to give here. Fine. So now my basic react 01 is running. So now this is my project. As usual, we know that whatever the things we are seeing on the screen, that is just because of this app.js. So whatever the things are here, let me remove that thing first of all. Then I will explain what further we have to do. So here I have to create the diamond brackets. And if you see right now, my screen is coming as an empty set here. Let me refresh this. So here you will be seeing that my output is coming as an empty. Fine, because I don't have anything here. So it is compiling right now. So now if you see my output, it is coming as an empty set here. Nothing is on the web page. So now suppose here, if I put an H1 here, if I put an H1 here, and if I say hello, 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 if I say friends, if I say friends, hello friends, and now if I run this code, you will be seeing that hello friends is coming on the screen here. Okay, fine. So now again, my same target is I will create a new file here inside this source. I'm creating a new file that is YouTube youtube.js. Remember this thing, guys, whenever you are working with the React part, so JS extension, and whenever you are working with uh, React plus Vite, then you have to do JSX. Fine. So JS. Inside this React.js function, I am writing function. Always remember this. The first character of the function name should be uppercase. So YouTube. After this here, return the inside this parenthesis diamond brackets we have to give. And here inside this diamond brackets, I am giving h1, and here inside this h1, so here I'm giving this is my YouTube, this is my YouTube, this is my YouTube. And as I said, it is a general syntax for React that whenever we are writing function, we have to export it. So export, I am writing default, export default YouTube. Now, as I said that this is my YouTube, I want to display this thing on the screen. Here I want to display this is my YouTube. So to display that thing on the screen, what we have to do is, first of all, we need to import my function inside this app.jsx. So to import that function, I have to write here import YouTube from /YouTube. So now to call that function, what we have to do is inside the diamond brackets, we have to write the YouTube slash, and then we have to close it. Fine. So now if I run this code, you will be seeing that this is my YouTube is coming on the screen. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's class. This is how we are going to fetch any function on the web page. This is all about a little experiment. We did that, how we are going to fetch the data from the backend to the front end. Fine, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.